Hello, this is my final career investigation for our class. Thanks for tuning in. In this career investigation, I'm going to explore a job listing that I found in my field of industrial organizational psychology. I'll go over the description as well as outline some of the desired qualifications of this position. Afterwards, I'm going to be looking at some of my glows and grows, which basically means my strengths and weaknesses. After that, we will look at a goal forecast of mine. I will discuss my overall career goal and some limitations that will stop me from achieving that right now, and some strategies that I can implement in the short term, midterm, and long term to reach my overall goal. When I was creating this presentation, I found myself getting a little bit overwhelmed with everything that I would need to achieve in order to get to my overall career goal. So one of the things I wanted to do was just keep this quote in mind that basically tells me, if you make a plan and you start, everything else should fall into place. And this quote is, as you start to walk on the way appears. It's by Rumi. Let's begin. The position I chose to look at was Organization Effectiveness Partner. This is a senior level position. This position requires a regional director to oversee organizational and leadership effectiveness for a global region, which means several countries. The partner will make decisions and implement and analyze plans in the following areas of the company: diversity and inclusion, leadership development, talent management, and effectiveness. Some of the desired qualifications for personal, professional, and educational are as follows. Personal qualifications: agility, ability to self-motivate, self-confidence, and high emotional intelligence. Professional qualifications would be 8 or more years of relevant experience and relevant leadership experience. And for education, an undergrad degree is required, an advanced degree is preferred. So as I'm looking at these desired qualifications and then job description, I have outlined a few glows and grows. Glows meaning that I feel like I have a pretty good grasp on the qualification, and grows meaning that I still have a little bit room to grow. So as far as the personal qualifications of agility, ability to self-motivate, self-confidence, and high emotional intelligence, I feel like in my career right now as a teacher, I hold a lot of these personal qualities already. I would give myself an 85% on this. I am not giving myself 100 yet because I'm not completely self-confident that I could do a position such as Organization Effectiveness Partner. And I think once I take care of some of my grows, my personal qualifications bar will go all the way up to 100. As far as relevant experience goes, well, I'm not completely at zero. Like I said, I have some teaching. I have about 7 years of teaching experience. Teaching requires leadership skills, and we have to be effective. We also have to develop leaders in our classroom. So I would say I'm about 25%. I actually think now that I'm discussing it, I feel like I could put it up maybe a little bit more. But I've never done anything as far as teaching adults how to develop their leadership skills or talent management. I haven't done anything like that for adults, so I would keep my relevant experience pretty low. I do have a bachelor's degree, so I've already got that qualification checked off, and I'm currently working on my master's. This is my first class in my master's program, so I still have quite a ways to go, but that's all right. I'm working on it now. Now going to my goal forecast. So my overall general career goal is to become a private consultant for business owners and administrators. And I do think that this organizational effectiveness partner will help me get there. Some of my limitations right now are my second language status. If you want to be in the business world, I think it's important to know how to speak more than one language. I do speak Spanish at an intermediate level, but I would like to become fluent and also be able to navigate business conversations in Spanish. While I do have my bachelor's, my educational background is not in management or industrial organizational psychology. So while I do find my educational background to be somewhat relevant, it's not completely relevant. So I'm working on that now, so though. And relevant work experience, like I said, I've been teaching, but I would like to be in a setting where I work more with adults. And my level of leadership experience, I will be looking at some strategies to help me get some more leadership experience. So in the short term, which is in the next 3 to 6 months, as far as my personal goals go, my personal strategies to help me overcome some of my limitations and achieve my general career goal would be continue classes to become a fluent Spanish speaker, join a leadership team at my school, join a professional network like PSYOP, and attend relevant conferences once COVID is over. In the next 2 to 4 years, I have some goals that are more related to the educational qualifications. That would be earn my master's degree in IO psychology, get an internship in the field, and get a mid-level position. And finally, my long-term professional goals would be obtain a managerial position in the field, hold the position for 8 years, and then apply and secure a position of the Global Effectiveness Partner. Well, that's my plan, and I want to say thank you for watching my career investigation. I've enjoyed this class so far, and I've enjoyed getting to know everybody. I just want to say good luck to everybody who is moving on to study more in the field of psychology. I had a great time this semester. Thanks.